I love laminating all the things. But when it comes to laminating, sometimes whipping out that big giant laminator is just not possible. So I am going to show you how you can laminate anything without a laminating machine. Are you ready to see it? Okay, let's go. Hey there, I'm Jessica, the Organized Mama. I'm a family organizing expert that helps you with organizing tips, tricks, and tutorials the entire family can do. Okay, wanna know my secret? Are you ready? Are you ready? Drum roll. It is clear laminate paper from Duck Brand. This laminate is perfect for getting all your items laminated without having the big giant laminating machine. Okay, so I'm gonna share the easiest way to use this. To go to this nice laminate. Okay, to laminate, you are going to need easy liner, clear laminate. You're going to need something to actually laminate. These are my morning routine checklists for the kids. You can find those down below. And scissors. Okay. First thing you're going to do is remove the covering of the laminate. The inside of the laminate is what is the shiny part. So we need to make sure that we size it right. So I'm going to place the paper over. You can use the lines on the paper to make sure that you have excess room around the document. You are going to want to make sure you have that. And then cut. If you are going to want to make this two-sided, cut the exact same size again. There we go. It's right on this line. Ta-da! Okay. Now we have two pieces of laminate that are the same size. We are going to roll the contact paper the opposite way. And making sure it's nice and flat. There we go. This way, a little easier to work with. Okay, now we're going to peel off the laminate. And lay it flat. Now, we're going to put this right in the middle. Smooth it out. And now we're going to do the same thing with the other piece to cover it over the back. Now we're just going to cut out around the edge. I like making sure that there's a little extra room around the paper that I'm laminating to ensure that the laminate stays on the paper. And now you have paper that was laminated without using a big giant laminating machine. Okay, then I have This is a Vis-a-Vis Expo marker, and I have found you can make a mark like so, and it'll wipe off. And if you get it wet, it'll just wipe off from the clear contact paper. Before you do anything, I would test out whatever whiteboard or wet erase marker you're going to use to make sure it comes off of the laminate before you assume it'll come off the laminate. So this laminate can be used for so many different items that it is perfect for back to school. If you want to see more tips, check out down below where you're watching this video. Using the clear laminating roll from Duck Brand is going to help you with back to school everything. You can use this laminate to cover books, to cover notebooks, folders, add it on to anything you can imagine. I love using it because it's just another way to protect your paper without worrying about a giant laminating machine or bringing it anywhere. Like if you don't have a laminating machine, you can use this to cover documents, to create little checklists, all of the things you need. It will help you stay organized. All products and more are listed below. Love what you see? Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every Wednesday.